Hello students, today we will learn about introduction to Python. So Python is a programming language in which we write some code and the computer will understand. Like suppose if we want to communicate one person to another person, so we need to require some language like English, Hindi, and any other language. So to communicate another person, we required some mode of communication which is a language. So in computer, we need to require some programming language. So Python is one of them to write some code and computer will understand whatever we want to do a particular task from the computer. So what is Python? Python is a high level interpreted and general purpose programming language. Means high level means only human can understand, like high level is just a English language or whatever human can understand only, but there is a low level which only computer can understand. So computer only understand binary language which is a form of 0 and 1. So computer only understand 0 or 1, but human only understand English, Hindi, and whatever. So we write a code which can only human can understand, because we can't understand a language which in the form of binary 0 or 1. So we write a code in the form of high level, then interpreter or compiler convert to the computer language which is a low level. So high level is a English language or human can understand, and a compiler can change to its low level which is 0 and 1. So interpreted means it check line by line. Some languages are compiled, which first we need to write enter code, then compile. So after compiling, then it will tell any error is there or not. But interpreted, it will check line by line. And general purpose programming language, it is basically used for general purpose. It is a beginner friendly, easy to learn, and widely used in software industry. It is too much easy, just write a simple code and directly compile and run. So why learn Python? So Python is a popular because of its simple syntax, less coding and readability, and huge community support. So there are lots of people who writing the Python code and powerful library, right? And its syntax is very simple. So feature of Python like simple syntax. So feature simple syntax means you easily write a code just few lines of words, and platform independent means it will run anywhere in any system. So Python is a platform independent, and open source. Open source means anyone can see its internal library and the internal code parts. So the code is totally free to use, means free to use. Open source means free to use. Anyone can see and anyone can contribute to it to change some features. So anyone can come and contribute, and anyone see the code and use to their own purpose to build software and something. Object oriented means it follow the principle of object oriented a paradigm of programming, like everything of a code is in the form of classes and objects. So we will see in later section what is object oriented. And a large library support means too many library are there for different purpose and different uses. Like math library are there for data analysis, we have numpy library there, matplotlib library are there so for machine learning models and different. So too many library are there. And we have Django for development, backend part, and web development, so Flask and something. So too much library are there in the Python. So and huge community are there who building the software with the help of Python. And application directly we can use to build a web development softwares. And Python is mostly used for artificial intelligence and data science. It is an emerging technology nowadays. Most of the programmer and machine learning engineers are using this language. So it is most widely used in artificial intelligence, right? So Python is most widely used in artificial intelligence, and it is also used in data science. And Python also used in automation like DevOps parts. If we want to automate some things with the help of software to do particular tasks, so it will also useful in automation. So in future, if you are going to build some automated tools or AI and data science, so you will see, so it is lots of use in AI automation, data science, web developments, and machine learning as well. Okay. So next thing is advantage of Python. Advantage, first advantage is easy to learn. Anyone can learn this language. Whoever not engineering background or 12th class students or lesser 10 class kids and whatever and graduates and anyone can learn. It is too simple, directly too simple and less code. Next thing is less code and different languages like Java, C++ required extra code to do something, but it is requires less code and fast development is, in this Python. We can develop system very fast and readable code means readable. It is very easily to see the code because less code so easily can readable. Huge demand industry like industry in AI, artificial intelligence, data science, automation, machine learning, web development, and software building. So huge demand in this industry. Next thing is disadvantage. Disadvantage is the Python is slower than C++ or C because C and C++ oriented to machine, but the Python is required some library and some extra implementation, so it is slower than C++. So we can say this is first disadvantage. High memory uses because it is required some extra functionality. So high memory uses. So it is the disadvantage means lesser, slower, not too much. And let's say how to print anything in Python. You directly write print welcome to Python, and it will print output on the screen welcome to Python. Let's see on the compiler. So let's print welcome. First we need to save this program. Okay. So let's run again. So the output is welcome to Python. Let's print another thing. Hello Python, and run again. So now the output is hello Python, right? So just one statement, it will print the data on the screen. So this is the output hello Python. Okay. So next thing is basic syntax. Just directly you can write a variable and assign this. So we will see in later section. So career opportunities in Python. So Python developer is there, backend developer with the help of Django, data scientists, machine learning engineers, automation engineers, and lot more opportunity are there in Python. So summary, Python is one of the best programming language for beginners and professionals. If you are a beginner, so it is the most good language to start your programming journey because it is very simple, powerful, and highly demanded in software industry. Thank you for this watching.